Today we are going to talk about the tips and strategies of retail lecture. A fourth part of PT speaking normally sports to speaking as well as listening, and it's an important part. Normally students overcomplicate this task. It's a easy part. Don't overcomplicate. Normally focus on your content as well as your fluency. Do a retail lecture together. I'm going to show you how to take a content and how to speak that fluently.
You could argue this kind of digital detox would be beneficial. We take our eyes off our screens and strike up real-life conversations with each other. We discover that our smartphones can actually make phone calls. We bring back fax machines and start making notes by hand. Well, maybe not fax machines. And hey, we still have TV to entertain us. The world would not fall apart. In fact, with almost 4 billion people having no access to the internet worldwide, half of humanity wouldn't notice a difference in the short term. But not you, mighty internet user. You would notice right away. If the internet suddenly flatlined, social media users would start calling each other on the phone, overloading the working telecommunication systems. Unless cell phone towers and telephone lines were also shut down. Then you'd go back to writing letters and sending them via post. Forget about wireless file transfers. With no Wi-Fi, you'd have to use a physical cable to connect two computers. Or a CD. Remember this? Now think about the economy. With financial data generally stored on a server, banking services largely depend on the internet. E-transfers would be impossible. Your credit card and debit card would become a useless piece of plastic.
Lecture was about no access to internet worldwide, and also about digital screen real life conversation, and also about smartphone notes by hand 4 billion people, and also about internet users internet suddenly flat off cell phone and towers, and also about writing letter sending by post no Wi-Fi and CD, and also about banking service credit card and debit card piece of plastic. Overall the lecture was very informative and strategies of other part of PT exam. You could subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.